buenos dias, wherever you are. I hope you have a wonderful start to your day. I am on my way to a meeting. I had a busy morning. I had a lot of prepping to do because I'm prepping for two things tomorrow, including the pop-up shop that I'm at. And yeah, so I'll take you along. Hopefully I can record in the meeting. I don't know. If not, then there will be no recording. But maybe I'll just give you a summary of what the meeting was about a little, maybe. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I just finished my meeting and I'm in one of my favorites. Oh no!
No battery?
My battery died earlier, but I am home. Came home to get some work finished, and I don't want to cook because I'm prepping. So I'm going for ¿cómo se llama? Torta. ¿Ah? No sé. Aquí, this corner store, it's like a 7-Eleven, I guess. It sells snacks, and I'm here for torta. Buenas tardes. Esto es el menú. This is the menu of the torta. ¿Qué recomiendas?
You want to take that one, that's atún.
Yo quiero. Chorizo. ¿Es posible chorizo con tocino, con todas?
Es la única chorizo.
Sí,
De chorizo, que es la argentina, milanesa, chorizo, queso Oaxaca.
¿Es posible pierna, chorizo y queso oaxaqueño?
Esa es toluqueña, sí.
Sí.
Una toluqueña.
Mi jefe tiene problema conmigo porque yo tomo alcohol en el trabajo. Órale. Dale, mira. Muchas opciones de Jack Daniels con jengibre y agua mineral. Hay dos opciones. Karen, Black Spice Rum y Coca-Cola. Órale. Uy. Muchas opciones. Y vinos, y ron, y vodka. Órale, ron popé. Champaña también. Órale. We just got back and we're gonna have our torta. I had a mix with fries and yeah, yummy.